Hey guys, Steven here from 101 Designs. So today I'm going to show you how to download either 3D text effects or any kind of text effects from Freepik on freepik.com and edit it in Photoshop, so you can type in your desired text and you use it for any project you wish to. So this is Freepik here. So from Freepik you can come here and search text effects. So I'm just going to say 3D text effects and then I'll click enter. I'll click on search. So as you can see, there are a lot of text effects here. So if you look at some of them are free while some are premium. This one right here, now you can see this yellow crown icon here. It shows that this one is premium. You cannot download it for free unless you have a premium subscription for Freepik, then you can get even the premium ones. But for this video I'm going to be using a free one, so I'm going to use this particular one down here. You can equally scroll down and even click on the next page. There are a lot of them here. So there are lots of text effects here in Photoshop, so on Freepik, sorry. So you can click on next, or you search another different give another different prompts and it will give you different options. So I'm going to use this particular one. So when you come here, it's going to show you from this area here. You're going to see that the file is going to come in PSD and JPG format. So for this video I'm going to show you how to edit files that are PSD, that come in PSD format. So this is the pattern of how to download text and edit it, download 3D text and edit it in Photoshop. So the second version is going to be in Illustrator, which is how to download EPS format file and edit it in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's download this. Free download. So it's going to save to my download folder. So it's currently downloading. So our file has been downloaded. It usually downloads as a zip file, so you just have to come and unzip the file. So when you open the folder, it's going to be like this. The first picture is going to be a preview of how the text effect look like, and then the second one is the Photoshop file. So we're going to open the Photoshop file. Yeah, so when you open it on Photoshop, this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to, so looking at the layer from here, so let me bring in the layer here so you can see very well. So looking at the layer like this, you can see that we have the background, we have the text, we have title, we have coloration. So they have, all these things have been edited. So all you just have to do is to change the text, and then you can drag this and use it on any of your project. So we are going to, I'm going to, first of all, from this the first layer here, it says double click to change text. So I'm going to click on, it's a smart object. So once you double click on this layer here, it's going to take you to another, it's going to take you to another file here. So from here you can edit the texts. So from here you can see that it types in the texts. So you can edit the text to whatever you want. So this says boy, so I'm going to just type in the text, let's say God, for example, God, and then I'll just click on the exit button from here. So it's going to show save changes to Adobe Photoshop document. So just click on yes. and then you're going to see it's going to change our text to God. It's not more going to be boy again. So I have to wait for this to load. So as you can see, it has changed our text here to our desired text. It has changed our desired text. So in order to use this for your project, you are going to have to turn off some of these, because you might not be needing all these options of text here. So I'm going to turn off these text effects from the layer. If you just tap on it, you can turn it off. So you see I've turned off that one, then you tap on these two and then you turn it off. So just turn off all this additional text that they included here. This is just like a promotion or something here, just to show what the text effect is actually for. So now we have turned off all these additional text that are there. So the next thing we have to do now is to place this in our own project. So place this in our own project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file, a new file. So I'm going to click on Ctrl N and create a new file, or you can go to File, New, either way. So I'm just going to create this, and then I'm going to give it a black background. So I go to solid color and just make the background black like this. So let's assume this is the project that we're working on. Then you can just select, in order to take this to your project, you select this. Select all the layers that carries this text effect aside from the background. So if I turn off the background layer, you can see that the background is gone. So we have our text, just the main text effect here. So I have all these layers selected. I think I don't even need all of them. So let's see, turn off this type. So I just need the actual text effect. Some of the folders are for those ones those additional text. So those two are for the additional text. Then we'll select this, and then I've selected the necessary layers, and then I'll drag this to my project. Then you just drag it and drop. So as you can see, I've dropped this in my Photoshop, and then I can hit on Ctrl T. It's going to show me these fonts are missing, all those things. Then I'm just going to transform this. So I'm just going to drop the size down. So if this is the project you're working on, and I'm not really using this for any real project, so let's assume this is your project, you can just drag this and resize it and place it in any position that it actually works. So this is how to edit 3D effects in Photoshop. So as you have it here in your project, you can still come, let's say you want to change this title here, so you can still double click on the smart object, and then it will take you to this folder again, so you can put in another text and just change it and adjust it to your liking. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get to see and watch more videos like this. Engage with my contents, like my contents, and share them to your friends. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching.